Are you having a hard time looking for a straightforward instant screen print kit to help you boost the demand and production of your business? Don't worry, MiScreen got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 10 various application of MiScreen which will surely help you level up your business. But before you continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Lower the handle and your frame is pulled through as the image is transferred onto the mesh. Using digital technologies, the MiScreen system eliminates all time-consuming process in creating carbon-based artwork, printing artwork film to another format before it's placed onto a screen. MiScreen can print up to 300 by 210 mm with a resolution of 200 dots per inch. The new MiScreen Digital Screen Maker is the easiest system to create a digital screen for screen printing. A straightforward, easy-to-use instant screen print kit. Eliminating artwork improves quality, as there's no losses through a secondary transfer, no light undercutting, no movements, no extra time, and no artwork cost. MiScreen has direct and accurate reproductions every single time. With ultra-fine dots, no problems with undercutting, patchy screens, artwork lift-off, and more. MiScreen creates your design in under 30 seconds using direct-to-screen imaging with a professional thermal print head. The screen printing lets you print on fabrics, tote bags, paper bags, wood, cardboard, and anything. No big space is required. You can screen print anytime, anywhere. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texcraft.com.